I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Oppo is unlocked and you can access settings and the camera. Open settings, then Wi-Fi, or simply open the camera if your color OS supports QR detection. Why? Because scanning from camera can auto-detect network info and save time. Once done, point the camera at the QR code or tap the QR image in Gallery. If in Settings, tap the QR scanner icon. This starts the Wi-Fi join flow automatically, so you can proceed. Once the scanner reads the QR, you'll see parsed network data, SSID, and security type. You should verify the SSID matches the intended network to avoid joining a rogue hotspot. If the QR includes the password, Oppo will usually offer an auto-join button. Tap it to send credentials to the Wi-Fi subsystem. If not, enter the password displayed in the QR manually. Make sure you accept any permission prompts for saving or connecting, so the phone stores the network. Finish by confirming the Wi-Fi status changes to connected and then open a web page to test internet. If it doesn't connect, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on. If that fails, restart your Oppo. Simple resets clear temporary issues. Make sure the QR contain the correct password and security type. If not, rescan or add the network manually in Settings. Wi-Fi add network. One key troubleshooting tip. Restart the router if multiple devices fail to join, since problem may be on the network side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.